Hello and welcome back to creo parametric. Today let's just try how to make this simple model with the help of creo parametric part modeling. So let's start it. First we will make the base of length 60 and width 20 plus 18. Click on new, path, solid, define the proper name, uncheck this to use the proper units, and this time I will use millimeter path solid. Okay, I will click on the sketch, and sketch plane is this one. Sketch, make it normal, switch off the datum planes and draw a center rectangle. Press middle mouse button and define the dimension. This one is 60 and this one 12 plus 18, 12 plus 18, and hit enter. Just fit it and OK. Next I will extrude up to 9. Click on extrude and say 9. Okay. Okay. See? Next I will add this section of height 30 and width 30, and this is 18, right? So let's try to make this. Choose this plane, sketch on it, make it normal, add a corner rectangle like this, dimensioned it. This one is 18 and this one is 30, and hit OK. Extrude. This extrude is 30. Path, you need to know 30 minus 9, which becomes 21. Okay, we have done with this. Next I will add the chamfer of 9. For that I will click on chamfer, choose this edge and this edge, and define the value of 9. Click on sets, set 1 and define the value 9. Say OK. Next I will add these rounds of diameter 30 and 15. Choose this, sketch, normal, draw a circle like this and like this. This one must be 15. Okay, extrude, flip the direction and say OK. Again sketch, normal, draw a circle like this. Okay, extrude, flip, remove material and select through all. Okay, we have done. Next we will create a plane. This, press and hold control key, and this. Okay, and choose this, sketch on it, make it normal, start from a line from here till here, 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 hit OK. Extrude, and the extrusion you can see, which is 7. Path, this time I will keep it symmetry and say OK. You have done. Hope you like this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.